the Draw Better Studio, and today we're going to be drawing a cornucopia. A cornucopia is kind of like a horn-shaped basket that holds a bunch of fruits. So first, let's start with the cornucopia, and then let's draw the fruits all around and inside it. The cornucopia is just going to be like that. Put a thing there for the end of it, and then just draw a line that comes down like that, and then draw a line that comes like that. Now let's draw a circle here, like I'm in two C's here, and then draw like another C kinda, and then just leave that part open because we're gonna draw fruits and stuff here, and it might cover it. So just leave that open. So now let's draw a pumpkin right here. Okay, it's gonna be just like that. And then just draw a thing sticking out from it. And then just go like this. And now, just actually make it a little bit thicker. And now draw an apple here. Right here. Just like so. And then now let's draw some grapes here. Just keep on drawing circles. And now let's draw a little C kind of shape. And then just like that. Good. And now let's draw, I think I'm gonna draw some corn here. So just make a C shape. And now just continue it just like so. Now just add a little thing for the wrappers around the corn when you buy them from the farm. Just like that. Now let's draw, you guys can add other fruits, or you can just add the fruits I'm adding. So yeah, now I'm gonna do the corn details. Just draw kind of curved straight lines down, and now draw a little kind of small C shapes here. Good. Now we drawed one corn. Now let's draw another corn here. Just the same step. Same step. You can just copy that, or you can just here, then just here. Good. Now let's draw the same thing. You can put these green stuff in different areas, but I'm just gonna put them here. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna just close this off, and then I'm gonna draw a berry here. Just like that, and then I'm gonna make this an apple. I'm just gonna put a thing up there and like an apple. Good. Now I'm gonna draw, let's draw some leaves. I'm gonna draw a leaf down here. It's gonna be, just draw a kind of C shape. Then just put a line down here. Now you can just put a straight line connecting it. Now let's just draw a straight line up to there. Then draw the veins of the leaves too. Now let's just repeat the steps for all of them, wherever you want to put them. Okay, you can add more later. I think I'm gonna, yeah. Okay, and now I'm gonna add a tomato here. Like that. And now, let me think. What else? You can do any fruit, but I'm gonna put, oh yeah, I'm gonna make this into a pumpkin first. Okay, and now I'm gonna put another corn because it is called a cornucopia. Remember, just repeat the same steps. Good, now let's just draw a thing like that and then just draw wiggly lines there. Then something to close off there. Good, now let's draw a pumpkin here. Just pretend it's going through that and then coming out and then closing. Now just draw a kind of C line, backward C line there. And now just draw a straight line, then just draw a C down. Good. Now let's do the same details just like this. Okay, now let's draw some grapes here. Now let's just draw another tomato or whatever you want to make it into there. And now let's just do the details on the cornucopia. I'm gonna just do it like this, like just draw one down like that and keep on going down until you make it all the way down there. Good. Now let's draw. Let's make an outline for this. So then to make it thicker. Okay, and now let's just draw some lines going this way for the inside texture of it. Good. Now let's just put another. I'm gonna put another corn here. I do like corn, so that's why I'm drawing so much corn here. Remember, just draw the corn the same. Or you can make it slightly different if you want. Good. Now let's draw. Let's draw an apple right here. So just draw a thing going down and going like that. Just shade that in. Good, now let's draw a pear right here. So pear, just like a S shape, and then just round it out. Now go down like that, and then just draw a little thing sticking out. Good. Now let's draw another leaf here to fill in the spaces. The two veins. Let's draw a tomato here. Good. Now let's just add some grapes here. Just keep more grapes, a bunch of them, just make them go down like that. Good. We're done drawing our cornucopia, but don't run away yet. now let's color him. So first, let's do the cornucopia, this horn shape. So it's gonna be about kind of like a brown. So I'm gonna use it. Yeah, I'm gonna use this color. Now just go like this. Just shade it all in. Just color it all in. Good. Okay, now just go around here. Yeah, this is good, close enough to corn color. Just color all the corn in. So when you have like the color you want, and there's like more than one of the thing, like there's more, like we have more than one corn, you can just keep on coloring all the corn. So I'm gonna fast forward the video, so then when I'm done coloring all the corn, I'll tell you what to do next. Okay, so we finished coloring all the yellow parts of the corn. Now I'm just gonna get a green. So now I'm gonna get a green and just color in all the greens on the corn. Okay, we finished coloring all the green on the corn of the outside. Nope, I missed one. Okay, now let's choose a different green, or you can use the same one, but I'm gonna choose a different green to color the leaves in. Okay, so now I'm gonna choose orange for all the pumpkins, and I'm gonna fast forward because I have a few pumpkins and they're all the same. I'm gonna color them all the same orange. You can leave some white because some are white, but you can add little yellow spots that make it like shading. Let's color the inside of the cornucopia. It's just going to be a darker brown, and press a little bit harder. It's back time lapse. Okay, so now we're gonna color the peach. So it's just gonna be a greenish part, but just color the greenish kind. Yeah, greenish color. Yeah, and you can put a little highlight in the middle as well. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. we're gonna shade this apple red, and we're gonna shade this pear green. Or if you have it in a different order, just shade color the one that you want to be an apple, and color the one you want to be a pear. Or if you have one particular, color that. Dum